Okay, today with this call, the customer complaint was that the washing machine was not completing a cycle. Every time it went to drain and spin, it would shut off. So, usually, what I suspect is the drain pump or clogged drain. So, the first thing I did was go into a test mode and pull up codes. On this particular unit, the pump is accessed through the back. Normally, you would disassemble the unit from the front to be able to take that out. Some of the units have an access door. On this one, you actually have to take off the back panel. So once you rinse it off, make sure it's clear of debris, your gaskets are clear, it's ready to be put back into the unit. The number one thing that you need to start off with is make sure you have the manual, put your unit into a diagnostic mode, and just check the function of everything and also read your codes. Once I pulled the codes on here, I was able to determine that it was a long drain, so that sent me in the direction of the pump, which I suspected to begin with.